Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken soup dumplings. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh chicken and quality broth for the aspic. We'll cover everything from preparing the savory, filling to expertly folding the delicate wrappers. You'll learn the secrets to achieving that burst of soupy goodness in every bite. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these delightful homemade treats, following our step-by-step instructions for success. The heart of a great soup dumpling is its flavorful filling and the crucial aspic. Start by finely mincing your chicken, then mix it with a blend of fresh ginger, chopped scallions, and a touch of soy sauce for depth. For the aspic, simmer chicken bones and aromatics to create a rich broth. Reduce this liquid significantly, then chill it thoroughly. It needs to be firm enough to chop into small pieces, which will melt into soup when steamed. Now for the fun part, assembling your dumplings. Take your pre-made wrappers and roll them out slightly, aiming for thin edges and a diameter of about 3½ inches. Place a small amount of the chicken filling in the center, then top it with a teaspoon of the chilled aspic. Carefully pleat the edges of the wrapper, sealing it tightly to form a small pouch. This technique is key to keeping all that delicious soup inside. Steaming is the final step to perfection. Line your bamboo steamer with parchment paper or a few cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Carefully place your assembled dumplings inside, ensuring they have enough space and are not touching each other. Steam them over rapidly boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the wrappers are translucent and the filling is cooked through. Serve these hot, juicy dumplings immediately with a simple dipping sauce of black vinegar and shredded ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.